My name is Sam Wilkinson. I work in the Specialist Modelling Group at Foster & Partners.
I'm Josh Mason from Foster & Partners in the Specialist Modelling Group.
Foster & Partners is a global studio for sustainable architecture, urbanism and design. Over the past decade, we've been investigating advanced structures and material optimization, the use of steel, concrete and plastic for large-scale additive manufacture, and technologies behind this, such as robotics and digital design software, and other technologies needed for future applications like extraplanetary habitats on the Moon and Mars. Which brings us to LASIMM, which is an EU-funded research project with a consortium of universities and companies. LASIMM stands for the Large-Scale Additive and Subtractive Integrated Modular Machine.
As part of our role on LASIMM, we designed a high-performance steel cantilever beam, taking inspiration from Maggie's and Crossrail. As well as being a driver for the design of the machine, we wanted the part to be adaptable for different sizes and structural loads for mass customization, and to illustrate the internal structural behavior of a cantilever beam. We have been developing new approaches to structural optimization and generative design, and experimented with generative Autodesk software.
The mission of the project was to develop a hybrid machine, one of the first, combining additive and subtractive manufacturing with the extended capabilities needed for surface treatment and inspection of the parts being manufactured. The LASIMM system is based on wire and arc additive manufacture, WAM, which has a relatively high deposition rate, up to 10 kilograms per hour compared to other 3D printing technologies. Our role at Foster & Partners in the consortium was as an end user, where we worked with Autodesk and the other partners to develop a new design approach incorporating all the manufacturing constraints and a demonstrator part to show its potential application in the construction sector. The aim of the consortium is to make fundamental steps towards transforming the construction industry by developing new manufacturing technologies.
After LASIMM, our next steps will be focused on developing the supply chain to deliver at scale on live projects and pushing the software to analyze and generate complex geometries. With LASIMM, combining everything into one machine, we were able to truly develop additive and subtractive, which gave much more interesting opportunities for shape and form.